One morning in Maryland in 2019, the city of Baltimore was attacked by cybercriminals and held hostage. City government emails and voicemail weren't working, residents couldn't use online services to pay their bills, or pay fines to release impounded vehicles. And 1,500 property sales were blocked when the city couldn't check for unpaid debts. Fortunately, 311 and 911 services were unaffected, though 911 had weathered a cyber attack only months earlier. The attack on the city's networks used ransomware, malicious software that encrypts all the files on a computer. Once installed, hackers can extort victims in exchange for unlocking the encryption. In Baltimore's case, the hackers demanded 13 bitcoins, about $73,000, or else they'd erase the data from 10,000 infected machines in the city's network. Ultimately, the city refused to pay, and after over a month of pen and paper workarounds, most city services were successfully restored. The origin of the ransomware, called Robin Hood, is disputed. The New York Times reported it includes components from a stolen U.S. military cyber weapon. One aspect of this catastrophe is undisputed. An audit conducted after the attack revealed Baltimore's cybersecurity practices were out of date and inadequate. For example, instead of backing up sensitive information in secure cloud-based storage, employees were often storing files on their individual hard drives. So if the computers were damaged or compromised by an attack, the data inside could be lost forever. Baltimore learned a hard lesson that day and is investing $10 million in strengthening its IT infrastructure and improving practices. Other municipalities need to take the lesson from Baltimore to heart. If they don't, hackers will have many more targets to choose from. But each potential target also represents an opportunity for cybersecurity leadership. People like you can help make sure what happened in Baltimore doesn't happen to your city or town. Learn more about careers in cybersecurity at futureoftech.org.